Have you ever heard about the Bermuda Triangle? This mysterious region in the North Atlantic Ocean, often referred to as the Devil's Triangle, has been the subject of countless theories and speculations. It's an area that stretches roughly between Miami, Bermuda, and San Juan, Puerto Rico, and it's infamous for the unexplained disappearances of ships and aircraft over the years. Some of the most notable incidents include the disappearance of Flight 19, a squadron of U.S. Navy bombers that vanished without a trace in 1945, and the USS Cyclops, a massive Navy cargo ship that disappeared in 1918 with over 300 crew members on board. There have also been cases like the luxury yacht Witchcraft, which vanished only a mile off the coast of Miami in 1967. Despite numerous investigations, these mysteries remain unsolved, leading to a host of theories about what might be causing these disappearances. The legend of the Bermuda Triangle began to take shape in the early 20th century, although tales of unexplained disappearances date back further. The earliest suggestion of unusual occurrences in the area was made by Christopher Columbus, who reported that his compass acted erratically and that he saw strange lights in the sky while passing through the area on his first voyage to the New World in 1492. However, the Bermuda Triangle only began to attract significant attention in the mid-20th century. The term Bermuda Triangle was first coined by writer Vincent Gaddis in a 1964 article for Argosy magazine. Gaddis wrote about the mysterious disappearance of Flight 19, a group of 5 U.S. Navy bombers on a training mission in December 1945. Over the years, many other writers and researchers have contributed to the legend, often embellishing facts or presenting anecdotal evidence as truth. The Bermuda Triangle has since become a cultural icon, featured in countless books, movies, and television programs. One of the most famous incidents associated with the Bermuda Triangle is the disappearance of Flight 19 on December 5, 1945. Flight 19 was a training mission consisting of 5 TBM Avenger torpedo bombers. Led by experienced pilot Lieutenant Charles Taylor, the flight took off from the Naval Air Station in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. The mission was supposed to be a routine navigation exercise. However, shortly after completing the first leg of the mission, the flight leader reported that his compass was malfunctioning and that he was lost. Radio transmissions from the pilots indicated growing confusion and disorientation. Despite attempts to guide the flight back to base, communication was lost. To add to the mystery, a search and rescue seaplane sent to find Flight 19 also disappeared without a trace, along with its 13-man crew. Despite an extensive search, no wreckage or bodies were ever found. And the fate of Flight 19 remains one of the Bermuda Triangle's most enduring mysteries. The USS Cyclops was a U.S. Navy collier that disappeared in March 1918 while en route from Barbados to Baltimore. The ship, carrying over 300 crew members and passengers and a full load of manganese ore, was last heard from on March 4, 1918. The Cyclops sent no distress signals and no wreckage was ever found. The disappearance of the USS Cyclops remains one of the largest non-combat losses of life in U.S. naval history. The ship's fate has fueled numerous speculations, including the possibility of enemy action, structural failure, or capsizing due to the heavy load. However, none of these theories have been proven. The Bermuda Triangle is also linked to the disappearance of 2 British South American Airways passenger planes. The first, the Star Tiger, vanished on January 30th, 1948. While flying from the Azores to Bermuda, the aircraft was carrying 25 passengers and 6 crew members. The second, the Star Ariel, disappeared on January 17, 1949, while flying from Bermuda to Jamaica with 20 passengers and crew aboard. Both aircraft vanished without a trace, and no wreckage was ever found. Investigations into the disappearances suggested that navigational errors or unexpected weather conditions might have played a role, but no conclusions were reached. While not directly linked to the Bermuda Triangle, the tale of the Mary Celeste is often mentioned in discussions about mysterious maritime disappearances. The Mary Celeste was an American merchant brigantine discovered adrift and deserted in the Atlantic Ocean on December 4, 1872, by the British brigantine Dei Gratia. The ship was still seaworthy with its cargo intact, but the crew was never found. Speculations about the fate of the Mary Celeste's crew include piracy, mutiny, or a natural disaster, but no conclusive evidence has ever been found to explain the mystery. The Witchcraft was a 23-foot luxury cabin cruiser that set sail from Miami on December 22, 1967, with its owner, Dan Burak, and a friend, Father Patrick Horgan. The boat was only about 1 mile offshore when Burak radioed the Coast Guard, reporting that his vessel had hit something and was in trouble. The Coast Guard reached the Witchcraft's last known position within 19 minutes, but the boat was nowhere to be found. There was no sign of the Witchcraft or its occupants, and no debris or wreckage was ever discovered. The disappearance of the Witchcraft remains a baffling case, as the boat was equipped with life jackets, flares, and other safety equipment, and it was in an area well-traveled and monitored by the Coast Guard. Over the years, numerous theories have been proposed to explain the mysterious disappearances associated with the Bermuda Triangle. These theories range from scientific and natural explanations to more speculative and paranormal ideas. One of the simplest explanations for the incidents in the Bermuda Triangle is human error. The area is heavily traveled by both commercial and private vessels, and mistakes made by inexperienced or overconfident pilots and sailors can lead to accidents. Navigational errors, poor weather conditions, and mechanical failures are common factors that contribute to maritime and aviation disasters worldwide. The Bermuda Triangle is prone to sudden and severe weather changes, including tropical storms and hurricanes. These weather conditions can be hazardous for ships and planes, causing them to sink or crash. Additionally, the area is known for the occurrence of rogue waves, massive, unexpected waves that can reach heights of over 100 feet. Rogue waves have been documented as being powerful enough to sink large vessels, and it is possible that they could explain some of the disappearances. Some theories suggest that the Bermuda Triangle is a region of unusual magnetic anomalies that can disrupt navigation equipment. The Earth's magnetic field varies in intensity across the globe, and in certain areas, compass readings may be affected. This could explain the navigational errors reported by pilots and sailors, such as those in the case of Flight 19. However, research indicates that the Bermuda Triangle does not have any significant magnetic anomalies different from those found elsewhere in the world. Another scientific explanation involves the presence of large deposits of methane hydrate on the ocean floor. Methane hydrate is a crystalline substance that can become unstable and release methane gas into the water. A sudden release of methane could reduce the density of the water, causing ships to lose buoyancy and sink. This phenomenon, known as a methane burp, could potentially explain the sudden disappearance of vessels in the Bermuda Triangle. However, there is limited evidence to support the idea that methane hydrate releases occur frequently or with enough intensity to cause such disappearances. The mysterious nature of the Bermuda Triangle has led to numerous supernatural and paranormal theories. Some suggest that the area is a gateway to another dimension or a location of extraterrestrial activity. Others believe in the existence of the lost city of Atlantis beneath the triangle, speculating that advanced technology from Atlantis might be responsible for the strange occurrences. While these theories capture the imagination, they lack scientific evidence and are widely considered to be speculative. In some cases, disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle may have been the result of deliberate acts such as piracy or sabotage. During wartime, enemy action could have led to the sinking of ships or the downing of planes, though evidence of such activities would likely have been uncovered by now. Additionally, insurance fraud or other criminal activities could explain some of the mysterious disappearances. Despite the enduring mystery of the Bermuda Triangle, many investigations have sought to explain the disappearances. The U.S. Navy and Coast Guard maintain that the Bermuda Triangle is no more dangerous than any other part of the ocean. Studies conducted by organizations like the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA, and the United States Geological Survey, USGS, have found no evidence to support the idea that the Bermuda Triangle is a uniquely hazardous area. Many disappearances can be attributed to natural causes, such as severe weather, navigational errors, and mechanical failures. In some cases, further investigation has revealed that vessels or aircraft thought to have disappeared in the Bermuda Triangle were actually located elsewhere. The myth of the Bermuda Triangle has often been fueled by exaggerations, misreporting, and the desire to create a sense of mystery. Thank you for watching this video. Hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos.